The practice of whitening teeth has grown into an increasingly popular cosmetic treatment over the last few years since more and more people want a sparkling white, dazzling smile. What exactly is whitening and how do they perform? The process of whitening teeth is one which aims to remove stains and discoloration of the teeth in order to enhance the appearance of their teeth. There are a variety of methods for teeth whitening that range from products available over the counter to procedures carried out by dentists. The most popular ways to whiten teeth involves the use of bleaching agents like carbamide peroxide and hydrogen peroxide. They work to break down the stains on teeth into smaller, less noticeable videos. The process is done at home with strips of whitening toothpaste gels or strips, or is done professionally at the dental office. Professionally formulated teeth whitening procedures tend to be more efficient and last longer than the over-the-counter ones. Dentists are able to use stronger bleaching agents as well as specialized devices to produce greater outcomes in less of time. A different method for whitening teeth is called laser whitening. It requires the use of a specialized laser that activates the bleaching agent in the teeth. The procedure is performed by dentists and provides rapid and efficient outcomes. It is important to remember that teeth whitening isn't appropriate for all people. Patients with sensitive teeth, gum disease, or restorations for teeth like veneers or crowns might not be suitable candidates for the whitening of teeth. Always consult your dentist prior to undergoing any treatment for teeth whitening to make sure it's suitable and safe to the health of your teeth. Alongside professional treatment, there are also organic ways to whiten your teeth which can work for certain individuals. They include activated charcoal, baking soda, as well as oil pulling. Although these techniques might not be as quick or dramatic as the professional procedures, they will aid in removing surface staining and improve the appearance of teeth with the course of. The bottom line is that teeth whitening is an extremely popular cosmetic treatment which can enhance the look of the smile. If you decide to utilize commercial products, professional treatment and natural techniques, there are various options that will meet your requirements and personal preferences. Always check with your dentist prior to beginning any whitening program to make sure it's secure and beneficial to protect the health of your teeth.